Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE launch announced 2020, May 4 status coming soon. EXP, release 2020, May 9 body dimensions 162 by 75.5 by 8.9 mm 6.38 by 2.97 by 0.35 in, weight 192 grams 6.77 ounces, SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, size 6.5 inches, 102.0 square centimeters, approximately 83.4% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 405 pixels per inch, density 480 nits TYP. Brightness, advertised platform OS Android 10, color OS 7.1, chipset Qualcomm SM6125, Snapdragon 665, 11 nanometers, CPU octa-core, 4 by 2.0 GHz Cryo 260 Gold and 4 by 1.8 GHz Cryo 260 Silver, GPU Adreno 610, memory card slot micro SD XC, dedicated slot, internal 128 GB, 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.1, main camera quad 48 MP, f1.7, wide 1/2.0, 0.8 micrometers, PDAF 8 MP, f2.2, 119 degrees, ultrawide 1/4.0, 1.12 micrometers, 2 MP, f2.4, depth 2 MP, BW, f2.4, features LED flash, HDR, panorama video 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 3120 fps, Euro ICE selfie camera, single 16 MP, f2.0, wide 1/3.1, 1.0 micrometers, features HDR video 1080p at 30 fps, sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers 3.5 mm, jack yes, 24-bit, 192 kHz audio comms, WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a, B program, NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, La GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0, reversible connector, USB on-the-go, features sensors, fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, proximity, compass, battery non-removable, LiPo 5000 mAh battery, charging fast charging, 18W misc, colors twilight black, stream white, aurora purple, models CPH 2059, price about €250.